there! Welcome back to IT Insider. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a flowchart in Microsoft Word. Flowcharts are an excellent way to visualize processes. Let's dive right in. First things first, open Microsoft Word and create a new document. If you want to give your flowchart a little breathing room, you can change the orientation to landscape. To do that, go to the Layout tab, click Orientation, and select Landscape. This will give you more horizontal space for your flowchart. Next, we're going to add the shapes that make up your flowchart. Head over to the Insert tab, and then click on Shapes. You'll see a drop-down with a variety of options. The most commonly used flowchart shapes are the rectangle for processes, the diamond for decision points, and the oval for start and end points. Don't worry, I'll explain how to use them in a moment. Let's start by inserting a shape. I'll select the oval shape for the starting point. Simply click and drag to draw the shape on the page. Now, double-click inside the shape to type Start. Easy, right? Next, let's add a rectangle to represent a process. Repeat the same process. Go to Insert, Shapes, select the rectangle, and draw it on the page. After that, add your text inside. For decision points, use the diamond shape. You can label it with a question like, "Is task complete?" This is where flowcharts really help to visualize the process. Now we'll connect everything with arrows, so the flow is clear. Go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes again, and select an arrow from the Lines section. Click and drag from one shape to the next to draw your connection. Keep doing this until all your shapes are linked. At this point, your flowchart is taking shape, but we can make it look even better. Click on any shape to bring up the Shape Format tab. Here, you can change the color, add borders, and even adjust the thickness of the lines. Customizing your flowchart will make it more visually appealing and easier to follow. Once you've added all your shapes, connections, and labels, zoom out to make sure everything is neat and organized. If you need to move things around, just click and drag the shapes to reposition them. Don't forget to save your document. And that's it! You've just created a flowchart in Word. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to IT Insider for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.